Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't already subscribe, you should now. On our last video, I showed you how to create a menu bar, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a toolbar and a status bar. So let's get into it. As you can see, I've retained my code for my frame. So now let's start by adding our status bar. And to do that now, we'll add it right here. So we're going to say self.timer equal wx.timer caps self. Next we'll say self.bind event timer. Now self.timer dot start at 40, and you can put a hashtag right there. Milliseconds. Now to create the status bar, self.status bar equals self.create status bar. Now, as you can see, we have placed a binder on the update card, so we have to create a function for that. So it's def update underscore card self event. So as you can see, this code here creates our status bar. Now we're gonna add up parameters to our status bar now as it relates to get the cursor position wherever it is. And in order to do that now, we'll say pos for position equal wx dot get mouse position. Self dot status bar dot set status text. Pause. Comma. There. So once you run this code now, in the status bar you're supposed to see a pause alongside an X and Y axis. Wherever the cursor moves, you'll see a figure for it. Now we'll start by creating our toolbar now. So in order to create a toolbar, there's two ways you can do this. You can use the self.createToolbar method or wx.toolbar self. We're going to use the self.createToolbar method. So it starts by saying toolbar equal self.createToolbar. Now I'm going to set a background color to our toolbar so you could see the difference from the frame. So toolbar set toolbar dot realize. That's it. We've created our status bar and our toolbar. So let me check out what the code is, if everything is okay. Everything looks fine. Let's run this and see what happens. Oh, we have an error. Let's sort out that error. Alright, there we go. So as you can see, here's our status bar and here's our toolbar. Also, in the status bar, you can see my X and Y axis wherever I move my cursor. Let's say now in the toolbar you want to create a bitmap button for new, open, save, and exit. It can be done. Let me show you all. So in order to do that now, we'll have to say that q tool equal toolbar dot add tool dot id underscore any. So our first bitmap button will be new. Now let me just copy this. Second bitmap button will be open. Our third bitmap button will be save. And our fourth and final bitmap button will be exit. So now we've added our 4 bitmap buttons. Let's run this and see what happens. Oh, I made a mistake. So it's supposed to be any, not any. And again, these are standard IDs. Oh, there we go. Here is our bitmap buttons: new, open, save, and exit. In order for you all to get your images now, you first have to download them off Google Images, edit them, and resize the pixel layout to get yours like this. Let's say when you click the exit button, you want the frame to disappear or the frame to close. It can be done. You just need to add a binding event to the exit button, exit bitmap button, I should say. So let me show you how you do that. So first, you need to say self.bind wx.event underscore tool self dot unquote q tool. And now to create a function for unquit. So find unquit self e for event, and when you click the exit button on the toolbar, you want it to close, so it's self dot close. So let's run this and see what happens now. Again, beautiful. As you can see, so what we did was add a binding event to our exit bitmap button. So that's when we clicked it, or when we click it, it should close the frame overall. So let's see what happens when I click it now. But it's not closing. What could be wrong now? Okay, let me check in the code. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Let's try it again. Let me run this. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. Beautiful. So thank you again. Hope you like this video. See you soon.